Welcome back. So this is Green Pips FX. As usual, if you're new to this YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also don't forget to comment and share to your fellow traders so as they will be able to learn. So today we are going to learn on how to take entries on chart patterns, different chart patterns such as double top and double bottom. So uh, guys, stay in touch with us. So in starting with double top here, we are having this scenario of a market pushing upwards and bullish momentum until the market tapped this resistance, and it was rejected to push further upwards, and for the second time also it was rejected, and unfortunately it had to change its character and have something like this first scenario. So this is double top. We have this resistance of this strong resistance around these areas here. So we had this market was pushing upward or bullish momentum until when this market faced this strong resistance, and it was rejected to push further upward, since this resistance was really strong here, and the market had to change its character by breaking the previous lower high to create a new low around these areas here. After the creation of this low here, we expect the market to do some simple pullbacks, the area of the order block. So expect something like this, the market to come and tap these areas of the order block and push it on its current movement with its bearish momentum. So that it's on the first scenario. Pushing words on the second scenario, we have this chart pattern in moving on a bullish momentum like this. Okay, so skip this, clean and start a fresh one. So we have this scenario here. The market was pushing on a bullish momentum, and it faced bullish momentum, and it had to face this strong resistance, and was rejected for a second time, tapped and rejected, and tested around these areas here, then boom. So this is a second scenario, since we had this strong resistance around these areas here. So we had this clean upward trend market movement roughly. So why upward? Because it was breaking the previous high to create a new higher highs. As you can see here, the market was breaking the previous high to create new higher highs. So until it was tapped on this resistance here, strong resistance, and it failed to break it onto its upward momentum for the first time and the second time. So it tapped double first and second until and after the second tap, we saw the market change its character here by breaking this previous lower high, create the new low around these areas here. After the creation of the new low, we expect market to do some simple pullbacks to the area of the neckline, this area. Okay, this is what we call a neckline. So it's a strong area since it was break first time. So we expect the market to do some retracement until these areas before it's further push onto bearish momentum. So those are the two scenarios on the double top. Let us check on the other side of the coin, which it's a double bottom. So the double bottom is just like it's vice versa of the double top. So here we have this strong support around these areas here, and we have this scenario, first scenario of a chart moving onto a downward trend. It was moving on a pure downward trend until it tapped first tap on this support, then the second tap here, then we see this market changing its character and taking some orders, then boom, into pushing bullish. So firstly, we had this market been pushing bearish momentums. Why? Because sorry, I'll just keep the chart clean. We saw this market was really breaking the previous lows to create a new lower lows. It was creating new lower lows until when it tapped this strong support around these areas. For the first time, the market was projected to break this support and went for the pullbacks. Then after this, the second tap here, it is when we call it a double bottom. So it was tapped double, so the first and the second. After the second tap, we saw this market in pushing upwards and changing its character by breaking the previous higher low of around this area here. So it changed its character to create a new high around this area. So after the creation of the new high, as we expect the market to be moving on consolidations to the areas of the order blocks to pick some orders before pushing on its actual momentum. So this it's for the first scenario. So we have the second scenario. We have the second scenario as the market is pushing on downward momentum. Market being pushing downward momentum till the top is support. Then we have something like this, again like this, and thing like this here. So this is the second scenario. We had this market roughly being pushing on downwards bearish momentum. Why? Because as usual it was breaking these lows to create a new lower lows until these areas here of the these areas here of the neckline. The market tapped for the first time here around the support and failed to break it. So after this consolidation, and it was rejected again to be to break this support for the second time. So this is what the actual meaning of the word double means twice. So first tap and the second tap means double. So after the second tap, so this market changing its character around these areas here. So we expect this market to come and do some pullbacks until the area of the neckline, which is this areas here. This is what we call the line of neckline. So we all expect market to be tapping this area for retracement. After the retracement, then the market we expect the market to do some big impulsive movement. So guys, hope you really enjoyed and learned this video. If you had learned, please do not forget to share to your friends so they can also learn on how to trade these double bottom and double top scenarios. And do not forget to comment on the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe. After you have finished watching this video, go on the charts and check out on how to get some entries, and that is how you become a good trader.